Graduate of Linguistic Program, Warmadewa University, was established in 2012, and it has received accredited B status based on the decree of the National Accreditation Board number 1016 SK Ban PT Akre M 6 2014 on 17th of June 2016. Becoming a center for linguistic education that can produce quality, ecotourism-minded, and globally competitive Master of Graduate of Linguistic Program in 2034 is the vision of the Graduate of Linguistic Program, which has been implemented through several student achievements, such as: first, the best graduated student in 2017 and 2020; second, to be the second place winner in Willis International Photo Contest; and the third, consolation prize winner. Besides, there's also the implementation of cooperation with domestic and foreign universities, development of scientific publication through the provision of 5 online journals, such as: first, Retorika Jurnal Ilmu Bahasa; the second is International Journal of Systemic Functional Linguistics; the third is Community Services Journal of Linguistics; the fourth is International Journal of Forensic Linguistics; and the fifth is BIPA Journal. The learning process in the Graduate of Linguistic Program is using the advanced model system, provisions of an online library, that is Willy e-Library, and there is implementation of annual international conferences, such as International Seminar of Social Science, Language, Culture, and Education, in collaboration with Hallo Uleo University. And the second international conference is International Conference of Social Science and Tourism. Both of them have Scopus Index preceding outputs. Talking about the students of Graduate of Linguistic Program are not only coming from Bali, but also the other provinces in Indonesia, such as Sulawesi Tenggara, NTB, NTT, Jawa Tengah, especially from Nia Selatan and Medan. And moreover, there are students coming from Timor Leste. Well, in realizing the equitable distribution of knowledge and education to each student in it, the Graduate of Linguistic Program provides the scholarship. There are 2 scholarships provided, namely scholarship based on achievements and working scholarship. The scholarship based on achievements aims to support the students who have good academic potential but have economic limitations. Good academic potential are shown by various achievements in the level of local, regional, national, and international. The second scholarship is working scholarship. In this scholarship, the students are given a job by the Graduate of Linguistic Program, then they can continue their study. In the academic year of 2020 and 2021, the Graduate of Linguistic Program, Warmadewa University, has revised and developed the curriculum. The evidence of the curriculum development is the addition of 2 excellent subjects, namely Forensic Linguistics and Computational Linguistics. It is expected that the profile of graduates will not only become editors or even teachers of language, but they can be computational linguists and forensic linguists, which are very professional. The learning process at the Graduate of Linguistic Program is not only supported by academic facilities, but also by the participative role of lecturers in educating, guiding, and providing an evaluations of students' learning. Talking about lecturers who teach the subjects in the Graduate of Linguistic Program have doctoral and professor qualifications. namely 8 doctors and 3 professors, so that the number of permanent lecturers are 11 people. In addition to academic facilities and the active role of lecturers, there are also various infrastructures that can support the teaching and learning process and also creating conducive and comfortable academic atmosphere. The facilities include the Graduate of Linguistic Program, of Leadership Room, a comfortable and representative classroom equipped with air conditioner and LCD projector, language laboratory with capacity of 36 seats, and very representative reference room. So, let's come and join with us at Graduate of Linguistic Program, Warmadewa University.